Springs. Turbo, where are we?
He's so serious.
We're at Willow. We're going drifting. We're tired though because we slept here and we just moved into the slot and we haven't drank coffee yet. Turbo, what's up now? Alright, warming up the car. Most importantly, we're warming up the nitrous bottle. We need like 50 more degrees on the bottle, then we can get in there. The heater's on. It's pretty warm, but we're at 860 psi. Needed it to be like 920. Then we're gonna go get some logs for Ian, send him, see if the new nitrous setup is gonna be where we want, and then we'll do some practice. But we probably do like 4 or 5 logs where we try and get it to get Ian what he needs out of it. I guess he needs to see like not spinning the tires and just make sure the fuel map is where it needs to be, or if he needs to add or subtract or anything, and if he needs to send me another calibration. Bet you it's dialed already and we're just being preventative. Ooh. Dylan's doing similar things today. He put a bigger turbo on there, and he also needs to make sure his nitrous map is gonna work and not hurt the motor when he's beating the crap out of the motor. So he's doing like pulls 4th gear, lets his tuner see the VE map. Alright, let's go do this. So we've been doing some logs with Ian, back and forth. We're gonna make another change. Ian's gonna update and send us another calibration, change the nitrous parameters slightly, and then we're gonna load that in, go back out and try it. We only did like 1 set of tires so far, and Mark is adjusting camber wear. There's a little slight camber on the banks here, so we're dialing in the rear arms to have even tire wear, and then also it's the same scenario for Irwindale, which we're gonna have to fix the alignment on that regardless any minute now, this weekend basically. So what we're gonna do is get it close to the Irwindale setup, get the nitrous where we want it, and then by the end of today hopefully get some tandem practice in with Dylan or possibly another one of the drivers that's here, because we have Taguchi's here, we have Mike Powers here, Pro 2 driver, and also Ricky Hoffman, a Pro 2 driver, and Dylan. So that's 5 cars here that potentially we could tandem with one of those other 4 drivers. We don't know yet. We're all changing stuff on our cars, but it'd be good to get some practice in.
Yeah.
He pretty much made it to where nitrous turns on before the boost, just barely, so there's no lag for boosting nitrous.
So that's what Dan's kind of feeling out right now. That was nice. I would say Dan likes it. Looks like he's having fun out there throwing the car.
Hey, so do you ever forget to press the nitrous button until the last run? Sorry! I was like, what the heck? This sucks! And then I was like, oh, okay.
out of tire. He's going back around. Yeah, ran out of tire. Just did a little cool down right now, but saw it chunking off there. That's the only bad part about drifting. Need more tires.
The latest setting for me and like the new X-Cal, we put the new calibration in. Everything feels good. The nitrous kicks in super responsive, like super low end. Still at 3100 or above, but like lower TPS input, and we've made 2 adjustments to like how much manifold pressure or whatever it's allowed to come on at, and it feels really good. Like it'll help you in a situation where you get behind someone and you're braking and the clutch is in and you're downshifting and then you're getting back on throttle and you weren't able to like keep your revs up, and you kind of like get back on and it kind of does one of those things and you need to clutch kick it. This is where it'll help you. And we had it close to the settings we were at, but it needed to be refined, and we refined it. It feels a lot better. Unfortunately, Dylan's car had like a little issue with the head, so we weren't able to tandem with him, and he left early after like warming up his car. So now we got Ricky Hoffman, said we can do a little tandem with him. I don't know how well our cars will be matched up, but might as well go try, get some practice time in. So we're gonna go do that. That was fun. Good time. So yeah. I think if we had 2 more sets of tires, we'd be like kissing each other the whole way, because we started to get a rhythm on that one.
Story of drifting, I'm out of tires.
Yep. Dang it.
Story of drifting.
That was fun. Felt like a little good practice before Irwindale next week. So
a little confidence boost there. The car's good.
Yeah, maybe we'll go into Irwindale with that little extra confidence and do better.
Hopefully. I hope. I need it.
I do too. I had fun, bud.
Sick.
Alright guys, we're back at the shop. It was a long day. Well, we actually left yesterday and spent the night. We had fun. Nitrous is really cool, and it's good that we set it up to come on earlier. Turbo even likes it, huh? Yeah? Yeah, Turbo likes the Nitrous. We're gonna unload the race car, put it back in the shop. Hopefully you guys had fun going to the track with us. Alright, see you later.